I saw your lesson request, but when I saw it was late. If I want to say, I saw your lesson request, but when I saw it was late. Is it correct to use the first it? I know that in this sentence the first it function as a pronoun, and the second as an idiom. If this sentence looks awkward, please give me a suggestion to improve it.
It is correct, however, I will place a comma between it and it, or, better, just replace when I saw it to say, I saw your lesson request, but by then it was late.
Yeah, you need to add a comma between it and it. Or, better, you could use, by the time I saw your lesson request, it was late. Edit. Looks like someone beat me to it. His answer is just as good, if not better. But I can't upvote it, since I'm new here.
If you have a